Hello viewers, let's take a quick look at this question. We are going to solve this question in just seconds. All right, calculate the volume of 0.5 moles per dm cubed of this acid that is neutralized by 25 cm cubed of this base of what, of 0.1 molarity of what, of base. When you say neutralize, when you see a question like this that talks about neutralize, it is what, titration. All right, so first thing you are going to do is that you have to balance your equation. Look at, say this acid H2SO4 plus this base NaOH will give you what? So what we are going to have is what? Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. So here sodium is what? 2. We need to do what? Balance our equation. This is the equation of the reaction. Are you following? Now, since it involves neutralization reaction, what you are going to do is that go and use your titration formula. We have CaVa over CbVb is equals to Na over what? Nb. Very simple. Now we are given what? Concentration. This one is concentration of acid. Look at concentration of this acid is what? Ca is equals to what? 0.5. Va is what? Va is equals to what? It say calculate the volume of. Look at this is the acid. So we are asked to calculate what? Volume of acid. Cb what is equals to what? Look at 0.1 of what? Sodium hydroxide is a base. So what? 0.1. And what? We have Vb as what? 25. You get that? Your mole ratio of acid. Mole ratio of acid Na is equals to what? Look at this is acid. What is here? Nothing is here. So 1 is to what? Is to what is in front of this sodium hydroxide is what? 2. So your mole ratio is what? 1 is to what? Is to 2. Your mole ratio is what is in front of that thing that you are finding. That is the coefficient. All right. So here is what? 1 and NBS is equals to what? 2. So let us make this let us make Va our subject of formula. And I say Va is equals to what? When you remove this one and cross multiply, so we have CbVb Na over what? Over CaNb. That's what we are going to have. Our Va now will be equal to what is your Cb? Cb is what? 0.1 multiplied by what is your Vb? 25 multiplied by mole ratio of acid is what? Divided by what is your Ca? Ca is what? 0.5 multiplied by what is your Nb? Look at your Nb here is what? 2. Va is equal to what? Multiply will be what? 2.15 over what? Multiply give you 1. Va is equal to what? 2.5 cm3. So our answer is what? 2.5. Don't waste time.